Nowadays, corporate companies, once you uploaded all your background verification related documents, they will do quick background verification. Generally, they will do this verification based on your PF service history only. Whatever documents you uploaded, they will not open your documents, they will not start your background verifications. So first they will check your PF account, based on which they will initiate your background verifications. For example, if you absconded any previous companies or any overlapping reflecting, they will check your PF service history one by one, and then based on the information reflecting in PF account, based on which they will start to trigger or they will start to ask the justification from your side. That is how background verification is happening right now. So even though if you uploaded documents, first step they will check your PF account. That is why corporate companies asking your UAN number when you submit your onboarding documents. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.